Model 69-plate Vauxhall VIVARO TRAFIC 1.5d 100PS Sportive H1 needs body, white, panel van mileage, 57,309 engine, 1,499 cc DV5R UCD transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs slightly underpowered. Injector number 1 needs replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 0 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, air con, cruise control, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £14,995. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.